Forex Market Review for February 18. The decline in global stock markets is also reflected in currency trends that are taking place right before our eyes. The dollar is strengthening on all fronts, and therefore some goals on Forex are changing. All the interesting things that happen on currency pairs right before your eyes. Currency pair EUR/USD. As I said in the last review, people who entered the pin bar following the trend had to exit by stop loss, because the price decided to turn in the opposite direction. I also gave a number of options for position management if you entered from an uptrend channel line. Personally, I keep the deal open and it went negative for me. I allow unprofitable trades in my trading system in advance. I am not practically active in managing a deal, and most often I get knocked out either by stop or by take on Forex. I proceed from the truth that in the long term, the profit of positive trades will be greater, and therefore I do not worry about a single trade, and I advise you to do the same. If you are twitching due to possible losses, then you should reduce the risks. The second option is that it was possible to exit with minimal profit, but this is an active management strategy and it is more suitable for intuitive traders. What's going on now? While the price is in positive dynamics, perhaps it will grow back, but nothing concrete can be said. We are in a trade from an uptrend channel and we just need to wait for the result. Remember, all traders make unprofitable trades, but the main thing is to increase profits. Currency pair AUD/NZD. But for the Australian/New Zealander, on the contrary, everything is going very, very well. If you remember, we had a rather funny situation for this currency pair with a bear trap. As you can see, experience and practice gave me an immediate understanding that the price is more inclined to go up rather than down. If you agreed with me in the first review, where I considered this situation, then you could come out in a good plus. While trying to break through the support line, many fell into a bear trap, but it could be felt because of the two peaks that were at the same level. This was a signal that the bears had no advantage. The bears were carried out in the footsteps. The quotes also returned to the former resistance line, which became support, and the price went further up. Plus, a pin bar was formed on the daily chart. The forecast for reaching the blue goal, which I displayed on the chart, is being fulfilled. Currency pair GBP/JPY. We will soon be able to see a potential pound/yen trade. The main working tactic is to exploit the trend on pullbacks. The main disadvantage of this strategy is that the trend can change and we will be carried out by stop loss, but nothing is 100% here. The financial markets themselves are the territory of probabilities, and the task of any trader is to earn more than is lost. Trade should be treated like a business, especially when it comes to margin Forex. Many people confuse this market with a casino, but few people have a professional approach to the market. And the approach of professionals is to treat this matter as a business. In business, you can also suffer losses, and the task is the same there. Receive profit at a distance. If you are tuned in this way, then you will succeed. For this currency pair, we are waiting and getting ready to conclude a possible deal.